Well, hello, fellow diamond painters. DP Crazy Lady here. It is 10:02 a.m. Um, it is Saturday. Geez, what is the date today? I didn't even paying attention. Uh, doesn't matter. It's Saturday. Um, I said I would be on here like every day or something to, as I went through this diamond painting. But I got so involved in it that I am loving it. I am really loving this painting. This is, whoops, upside down. This is Halloween Cat from Sunature. It was a PR package, and it is fantastic. I love it. And of course, you're not going to see the writing and things. They don't even show it on here real well. But the pipe, the fur on the cat's paws, I mean, I'm loving it. And I've got the bottom half finished, and I'm working, I'm going to be working up above. And I don't know if any of you have visited the site, their website, or, even just went and looked. Visit it, look, put some in your wish list, whatever. The shipping is pretty quick. They are going on some kind of, their holiday is coming up, whatever, their Chinese New Year, or whatever it is. I think it starts on the 15th and goes until March. So they're going to be delayed a little bit. Something like that. I had seen it on Facebook and checked them out. And all the links that I will have in the description. I'll tell you, the lady that runs this, the Facebook and things, they are wonderful. They try to reply to you almost immediately if they can. But I am liking this. The details on it, are really clean. I can't wait to get to the kitty's face to see, how well that is. But I thought I would at least update you on this. If Bianca wants me to, I will show how far I have gotten on the Pinson that we were supposed to start in January. That was a previous painting that I had started on last year, or it had to be last year sometime. I'm not sure when. And I put it away. And I can bring it out later and give you a little preview of it. And I think everyone's is a square. I'm not sure. If they got it through the same company, yeah, they're probably all squares. Usually Pinsons are squares. There are a few rounds, but I think they're mostly squares through Diamond Art. So I might show a picture of that on my next video. But this Sunature Halloween Cat, I really, really love this. So visit them, like I said, and, join their Facebook group so you can see some other finished products. There are some on there that are so intricate, and they are beautiful when they are finished. So you need to check them out. I like the animals and such, but they have buildings, and then they have beautiful women lady paintings and stuff that some of you might like. So you need to check it out. see what they have. And like I said, on Facebook, if you check it out there and join the group, people are posting their finished products on there. They have Pikachu, they have all these other, characters and stuff. You just have to look at them and see what a finished looks like. Then you might be even more interested. So, a lot of them have a lot of confetti too. A lot of confetti in them because they are detailed. So, check them out, see what you think, and I'll get back with you in another video probably, and hopefully you like what you see. So have a good one. Enjoy your weekend. Hugs to you all. DP Crazy Lady. I'm out.